Hey you guys, it is Adrian and welcome back to my channel. We are doing a skincare routine, morning and night skincare routine, and I've already shot the night skincare routine yesterday, but the intro I did not do it yesterday. I don't know what was I thinking. The whole video is jumbled up. But anyways, we are doing the skincare routine and night is already shot. So I'm in my pajamas, the same old clothes that I wear yesterday. I don't know how people in serials and all are wearing nice house clothes. This is my house clothes. Like my house clothes will tell it's a house cloth. So yeah. Let's get into the morning skincare routine. In the morning, I start with a face wash and my face is already wet. Till now, I swear till now, no vehicle passed. But whenever I sit, compulsory. So yeah, in the morning I use this Ethiglow face wash. It is a skin whitening, deep cleansing, foaming face wash. It is a creamy skin white face wash with deep cleansing and special activities like helps to reduce blemishes and lighten skin tone. It has stearic acid, cocophatic acid, lauric acid, glycerin, kojic acid, propylene glycol, and a lot of other things. Vitamin E, vitamin C. So this lathers very well. Yeah, so we have a face wash here and have some water. Yo, okay, put too much water. Okay, so it does lather up like this. And then we just work it up on our face to remove all the moisturizer or whatever skincare products I applied yesterday night. This is a based. So this is a water-based cleanser and it is really foamy, but I think because the product is not there, like I have very less product. I mean, I don't have product basically, so that is why it's not lathering up nicely, but otherwise it lathers very well and it is very foamy to use. So once we are all done with cleansing our face, we are just gonna go wash our face. So once my face is all washed and it's dried, we use the snail mucin. I got this recently if you guys have not seen the video. This is a dupe. I don't know if it's a dupe. Okay, it's not a dupe, but it is a snail mucin that B Body Wise has launched after the Snail Cox has had launched their snail mucin, and theirs is expensive, like 2K, 3K, something like that. And they launched a better alternative. So I don't really know if it works like a snail mucin, but it does claim that they fade dark spots. And I love this brand, B Body Wise. So we're gonna use this. It has a lock system here to lock and unlock whenever you need the product. So we just take a little product in our hands. I don't know why it squirts like that. Like half the product is on the floor. Okay, we just take a little product and then just we are just going to let this sit on our skin for some time. Until then, we will apply the lip balm. So I took leave right from college. So I'm not going to college, but even if I'm going to college, this is my skincare routine. I apply this lip balm and I don't apply lipstick. I apply lipstick after going there because the lipstick that I use, which I don't like the shade is super nice, but for some reason it doesn't look nice on me these days. And that lipstick is very dry. So make I make sure that I moisturize my lips before applying that lipstick, and I use this NMF lip care lip cream which is SPF 40 and it prevents pigmentation, like removes pigmentation. So this gives you a little gloss effect. Now only the fish man should come gay. So we're gonna hydrate our lips and wait for the product to absorb, and once you feel the product is absorbed, what we do is go in with the moisturizer, and I'm using this moisturizer right now, Oriza, which I got from the skincare hamper. but I will switch to my Emulsion moisturizer because I really love that moisturizer, and I feel that moisturizer is very lightweight and although very hydrating. This moisturizer is a little on the non-lightweight side, and but it is still moisturizing. It gives intense hydration, really moisturizing skincare. And mostly before, when we used to, like, every time we did procedures in the clinic, we always applied this moisturizer because it is very, very moisturizing and very hydrating. And when you're doing procedures, initially 3 days you have to keep your skin moisturized because your skin tends to dry out faster. So this moisturizer really would help. Okay, last but not the least, don't have to go out today because I don't have college. I'll be at home. You don't really have to apply a sunscreen, but um, when there's college, I always apply a sunscreen. So this is the Foxtail sunscreen, and it's my favorite sunscreen. It is their SPF 70 dewy sunscreen, which prevents tanning and has niacinamide, vitamin B5, and vitamin E. So I take 3 finger sunscreen and then just apply it, and you can see the, like, yeah, that is the glow this sunscreen gives me. No wonder I love this sunscreen. I have used the photos table, all the sunscreens the photos table has to offer, but even I did not like those because of the texture. They're very thick consistency, like very feels very like you feel like something is on your skin. But this is so lightweight, and I really like this sunscreen. So ending my skincare with this sunscreen, this is what my face looks like. It is all glowing. I don't really have to apply anything after this. Like, I don't do makeup to college. Getting up only is great difficulty. Upon that doing makeup going to college, no, I would never do it. But with this sunscreen, I feel like I don't even need makeup because the skin is glowing. It looks very natural, glowy. Also with the lips, it is just perfect for me. So I just go like this to college. So yeah, this is my morning time skincare routine, and I'm so hungry right now. I've punished myself that unless and until I record this video, I'm not going to eat breakfast. And now that it's finally done, I'm going to go eat breakfast, and then I will meet you guys in my nighttime skincare routine. But right now, I have to feed my hungry stomach because I get hungry 24 into 7. Every 5 minutes, I'm hungry. So let's feed my tummy. So it is currently 10:45 right now. I am in my PJs. I am super comfortable, and it's time we do our nighttime skincare routine. I cannot stop laughing because my sister Calista, she brought a syringe filled with water and she splashed it on me. I got so pissed. I poured whole bottle of water on her, and she was on the bed in my parents' bedroom, and now she's getting shoutings because there's water on my mom's side of the bed. So my mom and sister are fighting out. Anyways, yeah. Moving on to the skincare. This is the product that I use. This is the face wash. I using this face wash since maybe last 6 months, and I really see good results with this face wash. This is the Etiglow face wash. So I use the same face wash as in the morning, and as you can already see, it's empty. Like there's nothing. But right now I'm broke, so I'll have to do jugaad. Okay, yeah, we have the product here. So it has like tiny small pink beads, and it is super foamy face wash. So obviously I cannot wet my face because I don't have a bathroom in my room. So I already wet my face for the video, and now it's time. I just wait. What is happening? One second. I need some water. One second. पानी का टंकी आ गया. So a little water. I just wanted to foam so I can show you guys the texture. So yeah, so this is what it forms like, and I really like this formula because it is very, it doesn't seem like it can foam so much, but once you apply it, So this is the same face wash that I use in the morning. The reason why I'm talking like this is because I shot the night routine before I shot the morning routine. So that is why I'm explaining about this product in the night routine. So yeah, we just massage. I did not wear any makeup today, so I don't have to double cleanse. Otherwise, I do double cleanse with a makeup remover that I have from Plum, which is oil based. So yeah, we are just gonna massage our face wash in, and I think we're gonna wash it now. So I'll just be back. So I did wash my face, and what I like to do is right there, right in front of me, I have a chair filled with clothes that I've not folded and are clean. So I just pick a t-shirt, random t-shirt from there, which I know is clean, and then wipe my face with it because I am so scared to use a body towel now that I have back acne because of I think according to me, like whatever research I did, it could be because of traveling, like the maybe the bed sheets or whatever, or because she did not wax properly. Because my cousin sister told me that could be a possibility. So maybe that, but yeah. So that is why I do not use any face towel, and I make sure I'm using a cotton t-shirt. So that could also you could even use a cotton t-shirt to wipe, and then after using it, it goes back onto the chair. I have to figure out my chair situation and fold all the clothes, but I'm planning this since last year, not seeing it happening. Okay, anyways, the second step is the same as the first step. It is I use this Be Body Wise Nail 96 Mucin Serum which fades dark spots. So just pump it. In the first, I did find it a little difficult to use this product because as soon as I pumped it, a lot of product came out. But then recently I did figure out how to use it, but I don't know what happened now. In front of you guys, it just squatted out like that. So yeah, I just apply this on my face. It is not that sticky. It is not like the snail mucin because I've seen videos where snail mucin is like, but this is not like that. This is just like water and it blends in your skin super fast. So I just apply this all over my face and wait for some time. So while this is getting absorbed, I did have hair bath today. But normally, if I even if I don't have a hair bath, I make sure that I detangle my hair, and my hair is kind of a mess right now, like because it is growing back from the roots. Here it is curly, and then down the hair remains straight. And also, I had a lot of hair fall, so now here in between I have cut hair. So I need to figure out what do I do with this because sometimes I just feel like I'll just go bald, all the problem will be solved. Um, so yeah, I might just do that. Like the day we hit 1K, I might go bald. Full possibility. Like don't strike that down. There's a full possibility I would do that. Today's bottle finishing task done. Okay, anyways. Yeah, so we need to give this a little time. My hair is damp. It's not damp actually, it's pretty dry. A little damp, I could say, but I think that will because I won't sleep till 2, 3 in the morning, and tomorrow I'm taking holiday because it's Krishna Janmashtami. Today I went to college, and ma'am is like, "Why did you guys come? So less guys are there. Go home." And then she took one class. She gave break. We went to library, and then nobody came fourth hour, so we went and asked our class coordinator, should we go because she wasn't there in the morning. And she's like, I'm not giving your leave, but if you want, you can go. And we came back. So tomorrow I'm not going. Today is actually Krishna Janmashtami. Tomorrow is Masara Kutke. So high possibility tomorrow people are not going to come. So I'm not going to college. Anyways, yeah. Yeah, I think it's dry. Yeah, it's pretty much dry. So my hair is detangled and before this wait I have to apply a body lotion otherwise I always forget so I use this body lotion from Be Body Wise and yeah little one day here because I don't go to work now so no paisa and because of that I have to what did I do is I today in the shower because I had a long bath 45 minutes bath today I had to apply air mask so I did exfoliate for the first time, like using the chemist and play, and that is why it is important I apply a moisturizer. And my moisturizer is almost empty. I did gather up whatever I could, and my hands are moisturized now. So usually I do this after the skincare because I don't want, because I've touched my hands, I don't want to touch my face with the same hands. But anyways, I believe I'm clean because I've moisturized. So it's fine, I guess. Okay, hands moisturized, hair detangled. We're done with our serum. And now it's time for our moisturizer. We have the Oriza moisturizer. I don't know how many of you guys know about this moisturizer, but it's a really nice moisturizer. But I don't like the packaging. So I just take the moisturizer. My nails have grown long and ugly. I have to do something about it. But I'm going to get nail extensions done in October. So just applied our moisturizer. This moisturizer is literally very moisturizing. There's one light here that my dad bought for me because I told him I want light. So one light here, one light there. And this is what my skin looks like. No filter, nothing. Okay. Little glow is there. Okay. Okay. Anyways, moisturizer done. I had to apply a medicine on my back, but Calista is sleeping, and if I call her now, my mom is going to kill me. So medicine will apply tomorrow. The last but not the least, my most favorite thing to do. It is in my bag, I guess. Yes. I don't have it here. One second. Last but not the least, I end my skincare with this RMF Urea Lip Balm, which lightens pigmentation. And that is it. That is how I do my nighttime skincare routine. And yeah, we don't look like a glazed donut, but the lips kind of do look like looks clean. But anyways, yeah, this is my skin. Like this is up close. I think I have allergy with seafood because I am getting all this, but this is what my skin looks like right now with these products. And yeah, this is my skincare, nighttime skincare routine, and I kept it as real as possible. Like nothing is extra. I do this on literally on an everyday basis. I grew from using so many unwanted products to using the finding like I'm on the way of finding the best product for my skin. And the key is the less products you use and the right products you use, your skin is going to glow the better and your skin is going to heal better. So keeping that in mind, and having said that, that is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys like the video. And if you guys have any video suggestions, comment it down below. I will meet you guys in the next one. Bye. Good night.